Welcome back, lovely family. We are going to be making some pancakes together, and this is pancakes with a difference. The difference is in your pick choco, okay? You have to grab pick choco for this. Just check on the screen and you see the detailed recipe. I've added some flour, some sugar, of course, my pick choco, my baking soda, salt, and I'm going to be mixing all my dry ingredients together very well. The next thing you're going to do is to beat some eggs. I have 2 eggs that I'm beating now with my hand whisk. You can use a hand or manual whisk if you want to, or you can use the electronic one, anyone that you prefer. So after beating my eggs for some time, making sure that it is fluffy because you are making pancakes, it will be time for me to add my other wet ingredients. And to these pancakes, to make it creamy and rich, apart from my peak choco, I'm also using some peak milk, a cup of milk. Add it to your egg mix and some melted butter as well. The next thing is to whisk everything together again, all the wet ingredients. And now it's time for us to add our dry ingredients. The secret to doing this is not to add everything at once. If you add everything at once, you will have lumps, and because it's pancakes, it will be difficult for you to control. So I advise you to add it in bits. Like what I usually do is, for this particular one, I actually added it in 3 different parts. So I will divide it into 3 quarters. So you add one, you mix it all together, then you add it again, you mix it with your whisk before you continue adding all the dry ingredients. Like I said, if you add everything at the same time, it might be lumpy, you will have lumps, and it might be difficult for you to control. So this is the last bit of my pancake mixture or my pancake mix, and I'm just mixing everything all together at this point in order for me to have a perfect pancake batter. And this takes us on to the next stage. So now it's time for us to fry our pancakes. You grease a pan with some melted butter or some oil, and you want to carefully scoop your pancakes onto your pan. Please note that this is on very low to medium heat. If it is too hot, your pancakes will burn, and by the time it cooks for 3 to 5 minutes, or when it starts forming bubbles, it's time to flip it over to the next side. And you can see that it's well cooked on the first side, and it's going to cook through for another 1 to 2 minutes on the other side. Don't worry how it looks, it's because we added our peak chocolate. This is perfect, goodness. Everybody that had this enjoyed it tremendously. And you can serve with some peak chocolate ice cream as well. A detailed recipe of your ice cream is also on my page. So guys, dig into your pancakes and your ice cream. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly share, kindly subscribe if you've not subscribed to my channel for more videos and for more recipes like this. Do well to come back because I'll be dropping more videos on this page. Bye.